Hello everybody, time for a Matchbox 2019 M case unboxing. This case was sent to me by my friends at Matchbox from Mattel. They like to do the case unboxing, so they sent me the cases as well. That's what we're going to open today. M case is the 5th or the 6th mix. I am so bad about remembering what mix we are on. This has been in stores, I believe, for a while now. I think I've already showcased most of the models, but now it's time to just look and see what is inside. Lots of exciting stuff coming from Matchbox, actually. I can't wait to show you some of these as we get close to it. But let's get right to it. As always, we want to know what models are going to be duplicates, what models are new, so on and so forth. And the first one is the 51 Hudson Hornet. There are 2 of those, thankfully, because this will be a popular model. I think I've showcased this one because it's very similar to the Buick that was shown, I don't know how long ago. Or Buick came out, I think, in a 5-pack. So sharing that deco. And then this is the tree lugger with the Rannoch, I would say, deco as well. So there's that. Honda Civic hatchback, 2012 Ford Explorer, and then the MB Excavator. I think some of those are repeats. 74 Volkswagen Type 181, The Thing, really cool artwork on that one. MBX Skidster, and then repeat a new model from 2000, or from the last case, the 2018 Dodge Charger. Not in the police deco, which is kind of cool. RSQ18 tank, licensed tank, and then 2 of the Cool Mud 1960 Jeep 2000 4x4. Why do I want to keep saying 2000? I have no idea. Maybe I'm a little tired. Maybe it's daylight savings. That's what I'm blaming it on. Daylight savings, how dare you. 2 of the NASA mission support vehicle, which I think is very cool. I think a lot of you might like that one. And then a repeat of the Ford, the 2000, there we go, accurate, 18 Ford Mustang convertible. Yay. Got to say 2000. All right, 71 Olds Vista Cruiser. This is a repeat deco. Some of you don't like it, but at least you can get a model that you've been after. How about this one, the 70 Datsun 510 Rally? People, big fan of that casting. When I've seen it in store, this one has been gone, this mix at least. And then there's a repeat, the 65 Land Rover Generation 2. This one has the lights and the luggage. Remember, there are 2 different removable pieces on the roof. Okay, new casting, 2010 Ford Animal Control Truck, 2 of those, and then the Garbage King, which is the National Parks. I should get back to the new truck. This one has a plastic body, metal base. Not entirely sure why they did that. That's left some of you disappointed. It's a good looking model, but I get that. I get why some people are disappointed. This one, the Garbage King, has a metal cab now, and then the plastic trailer. But I like that it's national parks, which is always cool to do. And then we'll finish off with definitely the star of the case. And if you're confused, it's not the tilt and tip. That's a fine casting, I am sure. But this is the star of the case. This is the 75 Chevy Caprice. Like the Datsun, this thing does not survive on the pegs long. You guys are grabbing it. You guys are customizing it. There are 2 in the case, thankfully. And it is awesome. Very, very cool artwork on this one. Definitely the highlight of the case for me and for many of you is the Caprice. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the simple M case. Good stuff in there. Stuff worth looking for if you haven't found it already. But there is the unboxing for you. Go out and find them. Let me know if you find that Caprice. And customize them. Make them look pretty. Well, they already look pretty, but make them look cool. You know what I mean. All right, guys. Oh yeah, and you know what? Some of you have noticed. I should say this. I don't think this can be seen in here, but there are toggle switches in here for lowriders. How cool is that? The Matchbox did it. I always think that's when you see those little details, it's kind of cool. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Bye.